Today, I'm sharing my full experience using BNP Paribas Fortis, one of the most well-known banking institutions in Belgium. When I first considered opening an account, I chose BNP because of its widespread presence, supposed digital innovation, and strong reputation. But the real question is, does it live up to the expectations? The online onboarding process is somewhat efficient, but it still lacks the full digitization seen in other modern banks. You can begin online, but depending on your situation, especially if you're a non-Belgian resident, you may be asked to visit a branch. The app interface is clean and well-designed, but during heavy usage times, I noticed it tends to slow down, particularly when navigating through transaction history or accessing customer service. Speaking of customer service, it's a mixed bag. Response times via chat are inconsistent. Sometimes it's fast and helpful, but at other times, there's a significant delay, especially during weekends or holidays. Calling the support line works better, but only if you're fluent in Dutch or French. English support is limited. This can be a real barrier for expats. Transaction fees are average for Belgium, but they can add up if you're regularly making international payments. SEPA transfers are free, but SWIFT payments incur noticeable charges. The bank does offer solid integration with digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay, which is a plus. Their debit and credit cards work well across Europe. But again, international fees are something to keep in mind if you travel often. The biggest strength of BNP Paribas Fortis is its network. Finding a branch or ATM is never difficult, which adds peace of mind. Their mortgage and savings products are also competitive, but approval processes can be bureaucratic and slow. The app's budget tracking feature is a nice touch, although not as customizable as fintech alternatives. We all know the struggle. You're in a hurry, but traffic slows you down. GoTrax changes the game. Sleek e-scooters and e-bikes that get you where you need to be faster, cheaper, and stress-free. Try it once, and you'll never want to go back. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Security-wise, the bank uses strong authentication methods, including its unique Easy Banking app, which requires biometric verification and a PIN. This gives users confidence in the safety of their transactions, though some may find the process a bit cumbersome compared to newer mobile-first banks. For business users, BNP Paribas Fortis has a decent set of offerings, but they are not optimized for startups or freelancers. If you're a digital entrepreneur, you might find their interface and service too traditional or rigid. To sum up, BNP Paribas Fortis is a reliable but traditional bank. It's best suited for people who value physical branch access and need a stable banking environment. However, if you're seeking cutting-edge digital features, lightning-fast service, or seamless multi-language support, you might find better options elsewhere. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an honest review.